Hello, welcome to our final project for ECE 4180. Our final project is titled Plant Watering Using Moisture Sensors, and it's by Tyler French, Andre Jaberi, Robert Kruszeski, and Mitchel Zwecker. So our project description. This plant watering system automatically tracks and waters up to 4 plants simultaneously. Using moisture sensors in the soil, the device tracks the moisture and watering of each plant over time and displays this data on a ULCD display with 3 different charts: a line chart displaying historical moisture data, a bar graph showing water usage, and a numerical current moisture level for each plant. When the soil crosses a moisture threshold, the device waters each plant until it reaches the threshold, again using pumps in a centralized water basin. So for the software and hardware we used, we developed this on an embed using the standard embed and ULCD libraries. In the software, we used 2 ticker objects to control 2 different interrupts. We read the moisture level and activated associated pumps. So if a certain plant was low on water, if it was very dry, the pump would activate and pump more water into that plant until it reached an adequate moisture level. And it would then follow that by updating the graphics on the ULCD display with real-time data. We built this using the embed microcontroller, the ULCD display, a push button to toggle between the different three charts on the ULCD display, a 5-volt external power supply, a 4-channel 5-volt relay module to control the 4 different pumps, capacitive soil moisture sensors to sense the current level of moisture in each plant, and a mini water pump with vinyl tubing for actually controlling the water going into those plants.
Here we have a diagram of our hardware setup. We have our embed that has 4 analog output pins connected to a 4 relay module that is also connected to a 5-volt external power supply. This 4 relay module then controls our 4 pumps, which controls our water supply to each plant. The embed also has 4 analog input pins that are reading data off of our 4 moisture sensors that reads the moisture level in each plant. We also have a ULCD display that displays all of the necessary data and charts, as well as a push button that toggles between our 3 ULCD displays. Here we have examples of our 4 LCD displays. On the left, we have a bar graph showing the water usage. Then we have a line graph showing historical moisture data for each plant. Then we have a display showing the current moisture level of each plant, with the one on the bottom showing that that plant is underwatered and needs to be. And then on the end, we have a display of the current moisture levels of all 4 plants when they do not need watering. So some of our potential ideas for further work include including a Bluetooth module on each moisture sensor to allow for wireless sensing, watering done through a servo-controlled sprinkler system to eliminate the need for multiple pumps, cellular connectivity and associated web-based dashboards to allow watering to be monitored from anywhere, and using more powerful hardware or multiple embeds to make design more scalable for larger fields.